Why do we get sick? Getting sick occurs when disease-causing microbes invade our body and multiply. Our ability to defend ourselves depends on the strength of our immune system. The immune system is a network of cells, organs, and tissues that work together to prevent and fight off infection. There are different types of immune cells, all of which are unique in appearance and responsibility. Our immune system contains 12 trillion cells, which makes up about 20% of the entire cell count in our body. Immune system cells are like an army, constantly patrolling the body for toxins, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and cancer cells. These microscopic soldiers have the ability to store information on more than 200 types of cells, enabling them to distinguish between comrades and enemies. Immune cells work strategically as a team. Some identify enemies, others mark these unwanted agents for termination. Different immune cells terminate those agents, while others do the cleanup. Lastly, other immune cells collect enemy information and store it to protect against future attacks. The immune system reacts swiftly to infections with rapid responses, such as inflammation, headache, fever, and lack of energy. These symptoms indicate the immune system is hard at work. These symptoms often have us running to the doctor for antibiotics and other types of medicine. These synthetic medications attempt to imitate natural antibodies, but only work temporarily and have negative side effects. Medications like antibiotics are meant to kill all bacteria, but not all bacteria are a threat. In fact, bacteria live in nearly every part of our body and contribute to our health. Taking antibiotics creates changes in our bacterial count, which weakens the body. Aside from killing all bacteria, antibiotics aren't as smart as the pathogens they're trying to kill. Pathogens communicate information to each other about their environment. When they detect antibiotics, they send messages to each other to stop multiplying and encapsulate. Once encapsulated, antibiotics cannot pass through the pathogenic membrane. Pathogens survive and then wait until conditions improve for them to break free and begin multiplying again. This environment creates a perfect storm for reinfections. It may take weeks, months, or even years, but once encapsulated, reinfection will eventually occur. Without lifestyle changes, this cycle of infection continues, no matter how many antibiotics are taken. Once a pathogen becomes resistant to a particular antibiotic, they share this information with other bacterial species. This process is known as bacterial genetic exchange. The resistant gene from the pathogen is copied and passed on to other pathogens, further compounding the ineffectiveness of the antibiotic. In addition to antibiotics, the following also weakens the immune system. Chronic stress affects the thymus gland, which regulates immune production and activity. Chronic stress also results in the production of excess stress hormones, including cortisol, which affects immune system response and damages the thymus. Lack of sleep is extremely detrimental because the body uses this time to repair and heal. Examples include detoxification, brain circuitry repair, and balancing out neurotransmitters. The body requires 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Inflammation is the body's natural response to healing. Chronic inflammation, however, means healing is not happening. Constant inflammation confuses immune system cells, causing them to attack healthy cells and tissues. If our nutrition is poor, cells are unable to regenerate in a healthy way. Instead, they end up creating sick, weak cells. Extra energy is put into ridding the body of these unhealthy cells, weakening the immune system. So what can we do to prevent or reverse chronic infections? A change in one's lifestyle is the largest and most important factor. Building the following habits puts the body in a position to heal itself. Eat healthy, nutrient-dense food such as greens, oats, lean protein, and fruit. Consume plenty of fiber. Good bacteria need it to produce a protective mucus in the intestines. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Sleep uninterrupted for 7 to 8 hours each night. Properly manage stress. Avoid smoking or drinking alcohol. Exercise for at least 20 minutes a day, 4 days a week. Phytotherapy has developed an infection protocol to help create an environment to strengthen the immune system. With the right tools, the body is able to heal itself and reverse issues related to chronic infection.